Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Oh my goodness, what is going on with Shiba Inu? If you've taken a look lately, my goodness, it is skyrocketing. If you've already invested, how's the ride going for you? If you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Jump in. Today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu, what's going on. My gosh, there's so much information out there right now that it's really hard to know what is going on, what is what. You jump on any channel on YouTube, tons of Shiba Inu. This one, of course, is the best because we're just that awesome. The internet chatter, the Twitter chatter is mega Shiba Inu right now. There is a lot of social backing right now. And I've put my money where my mouth is. I have put money into Shiba Inu, and it is paying off. So with all this information out there, what is the right answer for you? Should I get into it? Should I stay away? If I buy, should I hang on to it for a short time and then sell it? Or should I hang on to this for a longer term duration? There's tons of questions that circulate our minds every time there's another cryptocurrency that comes out. But this one is raising in the ranks very fast. So in this video, I'm going to give you the top 5 predictions about Shiba Inu's future. From there, you can decide, should I buy or should I run for the hills? Number 5, past and present. In the world of science, it's said that in order to predict future behavior, one needs to look at the past. What is the past behavior of something? So let's apply this to what's going on in the world of Shiba Inu. It was launched in August 2020, dubbed to be the Dogecoin killer. As you know, Dogecoin, also a fraction of a penny, was raising very fast. Shiba Inu, a guy named Ryoshi, came out and said, I'm going to get something that's going to knock that one out of the water. So he launched this in August 2020. In May of 2021, it was at 0.0003641. We'll just say for ease, 3641. Now, looking at my app where I have my own Shiba Inu, looking at my app, it is at 6576. Today is October 27th, and it is at 6576. Now, I may not have a doctorate in mathematics, but instincts tell me that that's a pretty good raise. So that's where it is now. In the past, well, in the last day, it has raised 39%. In the last week, it has increased 138%. And in the last month, it has increased 836%. And in the last year, it has increased just 66.5 million%. But hey, that's just crazy numbers right there, right? So obviously, there is a huge trend up. Trading volumes, that's another huge factor. The trading volume in the last 24 hours is at $25.9 billion, or a 144% increase. Now, since I've even been starting this video, it has gone up to $65.99. That is a little over 1/8 of a cent. And the trading volume is at $25.9 billion. That's a lot of trading. If each one is 1/8 of a cent and we're in the 20-some billion dollars. That is just mind-blowing to me. So with all this trading, what are people mainly trading with? What are they doing? Are most people buying or are most people selling right now? Per the data, right now, 85.3% of the activity is people buying and 14.7% is people selling. As you can see, most people, when they interact with Shiba Inu, are largely buying. The popularity of this has increased. Now, mind you, there's approximately 13,000 different cryptocurrencies out there. Just last week when I started reporting on this, it rose up to number 13, then number 11. Just a day or two ago, it overtook Terra and is now number 9 in popularity. And by capitalization, it is now the largest cryptocurrency out there. Now, looking at the past behavior of this, up to the present moment, it is obviously safe to say with 2020 vision, there is a nice increase going on here. Which, of course, the next question is, well, where is it going? What's the future hold? Now, we'll bring you to number 4, the short term. Where is it projected to be through the end of the year? right now it's hard to say because everything I've been reading, it's predicting it to be in the 55 range, the 54 range. Well, every prediction that I've been looking at, Shiba Inu has been surpassing this. For example, the Economy Forecast Agency is looking at this could hit 74 by the end of this year. The coin price forecast predict it to double before 2021 is over to reach 0.0009, which we're sitting at 6 right now. So there's still a lot of room for growth right now. Based on what I've been reading and looking at the trends of the graphs, it will continue to increase. We're going to see quite the spike going on, but typically things do moderate. Things do self-correct. But what will it self-correct into? In the short to moderate term, it's speculated that it will decrease a little bit, and after that, it will stabilize between the 47 to 52 range. It could stabilize a little bit higher than that. It is so volatile right now, it's really hard to say with what specificity where it will. Again, looking at past behavior to predict future behavior, we'll continue to see this shoot up, then self-correct, and then start seeing it stabilize. But every time Shiba Inu is stabilized, it is stabilized at a higher level than it was before. So I recommend to keep riding this roller coaster. Now from here, where is it expected to go? So let's move on to number 3, moderate forecast. We're talking about 6 months out here. Where is it projected to be? Well, overall, everything that I've read, the continued projection of this is up. Every time I talk about the price, I talk about the fractions. It's the 0.00005 or 0.00006. There's always the 0.4 zeros and then the number. Now, starting right around December, the predictions are that it's going to lose that 4th zero and move into the 3rd zero, so only 0.0001 by around mid-December. That is another huge increase considering where it started a year before that. So it's expected to be right around December, that point, the 3 zeros, and then 1122. The month after that, again, 3 zeros and 1292. Continuing the month after that, we're looking at 1336. The month after that, 1376, April 1420. Again, with the 3 zeros down. So there's continued projection of this raising at a pretty good level. And now, which will lead to a good level. We're going to be talking about a year. Where is Shiba Inu going to be a year from now? October of 2022. Where is it expected to be? Is it expected to crash? All indications are saying nope. It has continued that slow, steady increase. What's hard is that many of the predictions for next year that we're looking at is based off how the numbers and how the increase was going a month ago. Shiba Inu has exceeded everyone's expectations. So again, with any level of certainty, it's really hard to really predict where is it going to be a year from now. Now, I just reported that it's going to be 3 zeros and then a number, but the reports do look like that the big waves that we're currently experiencing right now we're experiencing a humongous boom, will start to moderate. And it looks like a slow, steady increase through 2022. Of course, there are so many factors. What's going on in the market, the world affairs, inflation can definitely influence cryptocurrency, including the Shiba Inu. But to sum it down to the nuts and bolts, a slow, steady increase through 2022. Which leads us to the most fun. Where will this be in the future? I'm talking 2023, 2024, 2025. Where will this be going? And even further. So let's move forward to number 1. Long term. Basically, who knows? Well, just playing with some numbers on where this could go, one bought 10 million Shiba Inu tokens back in June. That would cost approximately $65. And if we looked at a 5% increase per month, by the year 2030, that could be worth $100,000. So there is a lot of potential for movement. Another important thing to look at is that there's approximately 638,000 holders. There's a lot more in Bitcoin, Dogecoin, so there is a lot of room for movement. Pairing the small amount of growth along with the huge potential for movement, this has a potential for a long-term investment for one to make some money on. So ultimately, I still think this is a low risk, potential high risk reward. You can buy a Shiba Inu for as little as $20 if you want. I believe on Coinbase, I think you need as little as $2 to even get started. It doesn't take much. You don't have to transfer everything you own into Shiba Inu. I'm not saying that. That would be stupid. But since one token is worth approximately 1/8 of a cent, you could buy quite a few tokens for a very low rate. And if worse comes to worse, you're going to be safe. You're not going to be losing all your money. If you're not stupid, of course, and don't put it all in. You have that potential for high reward. So I do recommend buy Shiba Inu with what you can afford to lose and hang on. Don't turn around and sell it. Hang on to this. Hang on to this. I'm not talking 3 months, 6 months. Hang on to this for about a year. See what happens. Hang on to it for more. I plan on hanging on to this for a few more years. Well, what do you think? Are you newer to the Shiba Inu community, and is there any fear or obstacles that you have to getting into this? If so, check out one of our previous videos on how to easily, safely, and securely buy Shiba Inu. Or have you been around for a while? Do you have any other insights that we could share? Please share all that in the comments below. We plan on seeing you soon as things change very quickly in the Shiba Inu market. Stay safe and happy investing.